A couple months ago, while browsing eBay, as I sometimes do in my spare time, I came across something interesting. A seller claiming to be selling the angle brackets for the W124 sunroof, using the word genuine in the description. These days, I don't really rate the word genuine or OEM being used on eBay because most of the time it's complete bullshit. And when I saw these for sale, allegedly genuine, at 177 Australian dollars, the first thing I thought was, yeah, bullshit. So let's have a look at them. Clearly the packaging isn't genuine, but one thing that surprises me is they do actually have felt sliders on them. All of the aftermarket units have plastic sliders, as far as I'm aware. And the most shocking thing of all is when we look up closely here, we actually see the MB star, a 124 part number, and the Webasto logo, and a 2007 manufacturing code on that particular arm itself. The rest of it, I don't see any MB logos, but that doesn't mean anything. Now let's have a look at the other one. Same deal with the felt sliders. Looks promising. And equally shocking, an MB star, 124 part number, a Webasto logo. I don't know what to think. How can these possibly be this cheap, including postage? Am I the luckiest person on earth? Or are these very accurately copied aftermarket items? So accurate they even copied the logos. What do you think?